Both got your collars on. Act right.
About to finish this. I had to go get some more cement. I don't know how this finna work out. That dried a little bit. It's not all the way dry. It's dry a little bit. Yeah. About to do that before this. Oh, there it goes. Here comes the wind. Yeah, it's about to get windy out here. About to finish this up. Get this here all done. And then chill. It's county fair day. So we're gonna make county fair up here on the ranch. Update, back at it. So that was 6 bags I just put in, got me to there. I'm not up to the top of that wood yet, so after work tomorrow, headed back to Home Depot. I'm gonna swoop up another 6 bags, and I'm gonna try to get this thing all the way up to the Tizop. Yeah, you know, first time doing this. In fact, this is just a test run because we're gonna put 10 of them. It's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're gonna move this RV on top of those. So that's the future plan. But this was the practice for the family. This was like a good, almost foot deep of cement pad. Probably not, like 8 inches. 8 inches.
Jason, your shadow is in the way. You can't see. And you just scooch.
I can't wait to step on it.